What's up, everybody? I just want to make sure that I can cover what a round of posts actually is. We do get questions of, how often should I post? How many times should I post? And when should I post? And doesn't the policy say one post? So, yes, you can do one post a week, but you'll be wasting money and your time with MNO if you only do one post a week, because chances are you won't be promoted and you won't be growing your music or your business. Okay, so yes, the bare minimum is one post. But like you do in anything, if you do the bare minimum, you won't get much out of it. So, what does that mean? Do we do 100 posts, 50 posts? I recommend, along with Melissa, that you do 3 rounds of posts. Okay, so what's a round? Let me share my screen so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So you would click on your play button. As you know, you'll see that I'm at zeros. I already invited 20 visitors, but I'm at zeros because my meeting was last night. So I'm going to get my first round of posts out. I'm going to click on the play button. As you know, it's on the bottom right here. Click on post, and I'll click on my search members, and I'll see which members are in bold and which ones aren't. So that gives me a good idea as to who I'll be doing the first round for. Everyone in bold, I share their top feature link. So you will notice, though, that some members, they've got 4 of them. There's Instagram story only, so that is an exception, although you might want to just have that Instagram as the third and only one. But what I would do is I click on this, says LA Business Owners Groups, so I click on that, click on Facebook. Of course, you're very aware with how this works. You'd hit paste, select group, select Los Angeles, and you'll have small businesses, very nice. Share it there, okay? And you'll do this for every member who is in bold, and that's your first round. Of course, members that are not in bold, I skip them. And now, this is a guideline, guys. It's entirely up to you, right? Now, you're going to have some, if you look at the date, it's June 16th, and you've got this one that's June 9th. So this is actually a week out. So I'm going to be sharing only updated feature links. That is what I recommend. So Northern California, so I'm going to click on that. And I mentioned that we do 3 rounds. So after I'm done with my first round, where I'm sharing the top updated feature link for a member, I'm done with my first round, right? Do them for my entire chapter. If I say Bay Area, that's Northern California. Let's see, do we have Bay Area small business ads? Let's see, San Francisco Bay Area entrepreneur startup. There we go. All right, so on and so forth. And then I'll wait a couple of days once I'm done with my round of posts, and I'll do it all over again for round 2 and round 3, right? So round 2, I'm going to be going through my members again, the bold ones, and I'll be sharing their second updated feature link. And then round 3, I'll be doing the same thing, doing a round of all of my members, and that would be their third updated feature link, and I'll be done. That is my week. I'll pick 3 different days. The reason why I like doing 3 rounds instead of doing all 3 feature links in one shot, even though I can do it in one sitting, is that I give my fellow members a chance to get into bold, right? Because, like you saw, there's some members that aren't in bold. And so I want to give them a second and third chance to at least get shared once or twice. All right, so I hope this clarifies things as to what a round of posts is. And I encourage you guys to do it as a chapter, because if you are updating all 3 of your feature links, which you should be, right? Don't just update 1, but update 3 of your feature links. That means you'll have each of your 3 feature links shared by each of your members. And those are good numbers. That's good organic exposure, but also it's not spammy. You don't want to overdo it. So that's one of the things you want to watch out for. And I believe with 3 rounds of posts, you stay within the limits of what is considered spam. And of course, you're able to share all 3 of your members' feature links, each of them. All right. Happy promoting.